In class. I'm back with another short video to explain this week's module. So we are in part 2 of the education planning curriculum. So there are a few things that I wanted to point out to you and kind of help you with explaining some of the assignments and the details of the assignment. So as you see here, it's important to go through this module in order, review all the content that's in that module, just like before. There are instructions here on how to find specific content in the Valencia College catalog, also the degree pathways documents, which are really going to help you with the term-by-term planning of courses. So the college, Valencia, has already put together some sample term-by-term plans for different majors that students want to pursue, whether that be here at Valencia or if your desire is to transfer on to another school to get a more advanced degree. So that's important to pay attention to. And the degree pathways are really going to give you kind of a jumping point to see how your degree can be mapped out term by term. Okay. And then also you're going to be submitting your degree audit with this assignment, and that's really important. So in this section of the module, it's going to explain to you how to access your degree audit in Atlas, and also how you can save that as a document and submit it. And again, there's a really valuable information throughout this module, so please make sure you go through there and carefully read each of these pages within here. So I want to jump right over to the actual assignment. So you'll notice one thing I want to point out is the assignment, I didn't make it due until March 20th. I'm sure you're aware next week is spring break. I've opened this assignment today, and I'm giving you till March 20th to complete it. Now, you may not want to wait that long. Maybe you want to get it completed before spring break so you don't have to worry about any assignments over the break. Or, you know, I know that some students really take their time with this assignment and really want to dive deep into it, and hopefully you all want to do really well on it. So you will have some additional time, even if it's just a little bit of your time during spring break. I wanted to at least make that an option for students if you wanted that extra time, okay? So you don't have to wait until after spring break. By all means, please submit it as soon as you complete it. I most likely will not grade it until after spring break, so just a heads up. All right, so let's come down and look at the assignment. So I want you to download the actual document that I provide for you here, okay? So please download that document and type right into it. In this document, in this assignment, you're going to have 3 sections, okay? One is you're accessing your degree program sheet. Now that's what's located both in Valencia's web catalog. Also, if you're planning on going on to a university such as UCF, you need to provide me the link to the catalog for that school, and so I'll show you that really quick. Then you do have your term-by-term plan that's mapping out your entire degree here at Valencia, semester by semester with the courses you'll be taking. And then finally, at the end of the document, there is a reflection, like I have in most of my assignments, where I need you to answer some questions with some detailed responses. So let's go ahead and just take a look really quick at the actual document. It's taking a little longer than expected to load. I apologize. Here we go. So here you see the actual document, right? Of course, your name here at the top, but here's section 1, access degree pathways. Now this is really important because I'm asking you for a few different things, and if you don't read carefully, you may get a little confused. So The first question is straightforward. What college or university did you select in part one of the assignment? So when you did the two comparisons, which school did you select it? So just type that in there. And now here, locate your undergraduate catalog and or degree pathways requirement. Copy the website link URL and paste it in the appropriate space. So depending on what you're getting. If you're an AS degree seeking or pending allied health nursing student at Valencia, so you want to go through one of our AS degrees, or you want to go through one of our health programs, you're going to need to go to Valencia's website, find the degree pathway, copy the link, paste it here. Remember, within the module, there are instructions that take you and show you exactly where to find the degree pathways on Valencia's website. Then the other link you're providing me is the catalog link. So you're going to actually go into the college catalog, find the program that you want to pursue, the AS degree, and then copy that link and paste it here. That's if you're an AS degree seeking student or any of the health programs at Valencia. Now, for my AA degree seeking students, if you want to pursue your AA, meaning you want to finish at Valencia, and then you know you want to transfer on to a university or another college for a bachelor's program, this is what pertains to you. You wouldn't need to worry about this section. So again, there's a degree pathway for the major you want to pursue at the university. We don't have every single one, but we do have many of them. So there may not be a degree pathway link, and if that's the case, say, not applicable here. But there are only a very, very select few that we do not have pathways for. So this is the Valencia website you're looking at for the degree pathways. Here, where it says undergraduate catalog link, it says here intended for bachelor's program, right? So this is where you'd be looking up, for example, UCF's college catalog, finding the bachelor's program that you want to pursue, and then getting the link, copying it, and putting it here. So for a quick example of that, here on my screen, you're going to see UCF's website. One easy way to get there, just type in undergraduate catalog in the search engine box. Go ahead and go. And usually it's the first. So here, undergraduate catalog, okay. Very important that it's not the graduate catalog. Undergraduate means bachelor's programs. Graduate catalog is beyond the bachelor's program. So you're pursuing a master's or a PhD, or an advanced certificate of sorts. So here is the catalog for UCF. You can do it a few different ways. You can come to programs and try to find your program, and it's broken down by colleges, right? So let's say you want to get a business degree. So in the College of Business Administration, here are all their majors. These are all the bachelor's programs. Let's say we want to get a Bachelor's of Science in Economics. So this page right here, this is what I'm referring to when I ask you for your catalog link for your intended bachelor's program. I'm asking for this link here at the top of the screen. You can hit that, copy the link, and then put it in the document. So this is going to explain the entire degree at UCF and the requirements, a description of the program, courses, and all that. So I just wanted to show you that those two differences between this link here, which would be for Valencia, and then this link for the undergraduate catalog. Okay, moving on. Don't forget to answer these questions here. Section 2, we're going to go to the term-by-term plan. Don't forget there is a question here. So this question is asking, does your program have any common program prerequisites for admission? Or, are there any prerequisites for admission for any of the health programs at Valencia? So your degree pathway sheet will show you that specifically. And also your undergraduate catalog, the link for the catalog, at UCF, for example, at the university you want to go to, there will be a section that says common program prerequisites. And you will need to let me know if there are any, and then list them here. I am okay with just you providing me the course prefix and course number. I don't need you to write out the entire title of the courses. So make sure you do not miss that question. And then here we have our term-by-term academic plan. few quick things I want to point out. Make sure you enter the term in the year. Term in the year. So the only terms there are, we're in spring now, right? We have summer and fall. So spring, summer, fall. Those are the 3 terms in an academic year. And then, of course, whatever the year is. Make sure you go in order. So if we're in spring 2023 now, our next term that we're going to enter is summer 2023, then fall 2023, and then we jump back to spring of 2024. In these terms, you will start with your current term. Now, if you have previous semesters, this is where that degree audit is going to show me, hey, I know that that particular student already has credits and, that's on their audit. So I'll be able to see that. In these boxes, just make sure you put the course prefix and the number. I do not need the title. And please don't forget to put the amount of credit hours and make sure they're accurate. And then total the amount of credit hours at the end of the term. I should be able to count, and so should you, each semester, how many credit hours you're taking, and then the total should come out to what's required for graduation. So that's one very important factor there. And then the last section of the assignment is an action plan, and there are very straightforward questions based on your term-by-term plan. You're going to respond to one of these. I want to know exactly what term you anticipate graduating for Valencia, or your last term if you're going to be going somewhere else before graduation. And then the second question, I want to know if you've looked at that program and really have analyzed, are there admission requirements, degree requirements, foreign language requirements, application deadlines, GPA requirements. So all of the requirements to get into the program that you're interested in. You need to go ahead and tell me that stuff here and do it in your own words. Don't copy and paste, please. And then the last section, number 3, now that you've completed 1 and 2, what did you learn? In your explanation, what are your biggest takeaways? What surprised you, motivated you, concerned you? And any steps you need to take now to help you reach your academic goal. So just be detailed here, provide me some substance, and you'll be good to go. So I hope this helps. Again, 2 documents that you're submitting. You're submitting that blueprint assignment I just showed you, and then a saved copy of your degree audit or degree evaluation, it's also called. If you come here, I have a sample assignment that you can look at if you are questioning or not sure what you need to enter, but there's a sample there that you can reference. And then again, how to complete it. I have very specific instructions here for each of the sections listed in the document, so that should help you. All right, I wish you the best of luck, and as always, I'm here to help. Please don't hesitate to reach out with questions if you have any. I am more than happy to assist you. So best of luck on the assignment, and if we do not speak or chat or text before next week, have a wonderful spring break, get yourself some rest, and then come back ready to close out the semester. Take care.